Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're going to talk about a skincare routine specifically designed for sensitive and redness-prone skin. We'll be discussing a 5-step routine that's gentle, yet effective in soothing and nourishing your skin. Step 1. Cleanse your face with a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser. Look for one that's pH balanced and won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Step 2. Apply a soothing toner. This will help calm your skin and balance its pH levels. Step 3. Moisturize with a lightweight, fragrance-free moisturizer. It's essential to keep your skin hydrated without causing any irritation. Step 4. Protect your skin from the sun. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Step 5. Treat your skin with a soothing serum. Look for one that contains ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, or aloe vera, which can help reduce redness and soothe your skin. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Stick to this routine, and you'll see a noticeable improvement in the health and appearance of your skin. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks.